Alright guys, welcome back. This is my 12 by 12 category entry to Summer Joust 2021. So the idea is to build something not exceeding 12 by 12. So I wanted to do something with waterfalls. And I just barely scraped together enough of these slopes and bricks in this medium azure color to get this. So on top you got this castle looking thing, and then some foliage, and then you got the waterfall running down here, continuing down here, and then finally down here. So the whole thing looks like it's the islands or the rockwork is hovering. So it's actually supported by waterfalls. And then on this level, I added some Middle Eastern looking architecture, which is some old Scala, I think, accessories that they made for kind of cool houses. So yeah, that's basically the whole thing. I'll just set this down a little bit like this. As you can see, I cheated back here just for some additional support. It does actually balance just this waterfall, but when taking pictures, I figured it'd be easier to have some additional support. I could move it around a little bit. But aside from that, it's just held in place like this. So you gotta balance so you don't make the top sections too heavy. So there we go. That's the entire thing. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.